From Murtaugh, I went east, driving on US 30. My destiny would take me towards a predestined course where Heyburn kisses Burley. An eagle, good luck, flutters in the air with its message of courage and freedom. Burley High School has a bobcat as a mascot, which, according to its symbolism, includes perception, stealth, vivacity, beauty, and affection. I like beauty, and I am affectionate. I identify myself with this animal. I have grown old by being stealthy, and the eyes of my soul became perceptive. Have I become a bobcat? This would not be unusual. At first, I thought I was an owl, because of my predilection for hunting rats, who made the world their burrow. My zodiac symbol tells me that I am a bull. I speak the Guaraní language, and my pillow is made of ostrich feathers. A large number of Hispanic students. They were waiting for me at that school in Burley. And, of course, I started speaking in Spanish. The United States has no official language. I talked about the college assistant migrant program and its benefits. That day, we have all learned to be bobcat. Maria Jimenez came from Burley.